Hi, I'm Austin Hirschberger, and this is a video for my Module 15 instructional tutorial assignment. The technology that I chose for this video is PowToon, and PowToon can be accessed by going to PowToon.com. I chose PowToon because it is web-based, it's not device-specific, it works in any browser, and it is 100% free. Not every feature in PowToon is free, but most of them are. The audience for PowToon would be fellow teachers and coworkers as well as students. And the purpose behind PowToon is to create presentation videos. Teachers or students can use them. And PowToon is just a way to create a presentation using videos. And so it makes it a little bit more engaging for the audience, and it also allows the author to add a little bit more creativity to it. So when you go to PowToon, it's going to ask you to either create an account or log in. I already have an account, so this is the home screen that it gives me when I log in. It's going to show you PowToons that you have created in the past here. And up top, it's also going to show you different PowToons that you can start with. You can start with a blank one, explainer videos, marketing videos, infographics, presentations, videos. Up top, it's also going to show you, if you click on Explore, it's just got some more options there, and Solution has some more options. If you click on Education, it's going to take you back to this home screen, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this explainer video here. When I click on the explainer video, it's going to show me these different templates that I can start with. Any of the ones that say Pro are free. If it says Pro Plus, those are ones that you typically have to pay for. I'm going to click on More, and that's going to give me a few more options here, and you can filter your template category here. So I'm going to click on Education, and let's click on Teacher. And these are some different templates that it gives you that you can start with. If we click on Student, it has some of the same ones, some different. And I'm going to go ahead and click on, let's try the book report. It allows you to either preview or use it. So let's preview it and see if it's one that we want to use. So I'm not going to show you the whole thing, but as you can see, there's some information already put in there, and you can change those titles. You can delete everything if you'd like and just start with the background, add your own photos, add your own text, whatever you want. Let's click on one more. I'm going to do, let's do this quick facts one. That looks interesting. So preview. And as you can see, some of the backgrounds have a little more interaction in them. So let's say we wanted to use this template. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Use. Give it a second to load here. And once you're in the editing mode for the PowToon, the way that it's similar to PowerPoint is that it has different slides here, only the slides are more of a video. So this first slide, we can play just this slide by clicking on this small play button here, or we can play the whole video by clicking on the blue play button. So let's just do this slide. And as you can see, I can edit some of these things. So if I wanted to delete that, I can get rid of that. I can change, let's do facts about Mars. So you can really change anything in the video that you want. And you can click through the different slides. And you can also decide how you want to have things enter into the presentation through different means. And there's also, in between each video, there's a transition. So if I wanted to have a different transition between this slide and this slide, I can click on the transition tab here, and let's do the fan up. So I'm going to have it go from this one to the next. You click on the blue button. There we go. Now we got the fan up. So anyway, I'm just going to go back to the home screen here. And let's click on Explainer Video one more time. And more. And as you can see, PowToon can be used for more than just education. It can also be used for personal, holidays, work-specific stuff. If we click on Explainer Videos, here's some more options that it allows you to edit. So anyway, PowToon's a lot of fun to experiment with. The possibilities are really endless as far as how much creativity and personalization you can throw into it. The ISTE standard that I chose for PowToon is ISTE T2A, which says design or adapt relevant learning experiences that incorporate digital tools and resources to promote student learning and creativity. And I also selected TPAC1, which says candidates integrate current and emerging digital tools to collect, analyze, and present information. Thanks for watching.